Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you what app store to use on MSI Stealth. Do it, you can use either the Microsoft Store, which is pre-installed, and here are many apps and games. Some of them are free, some of them are paid. You can see the Minecraft is paid, the Roblox is free. These are actually games. Here are some apps. Top apps, whatever. You can just search for something like the MSI Center, which is pretty important for your laptop because here you can update all the drivers and adjust a few more settings, so it is pretty great. But if you can also just download apps from the browser, but if you do, be careful with that because you can download some malware, so only download the apps that you trust. So, for example, some browsers or whatever, but something that's trusted, like, for example, the Google Chrome. And if I search for Google Chrome, you can see there are gonna be some, if I, for example, search for Google Chrome download, then it will display me the Google Chrome, but also after a few scrolls, it may show me some weird websites that I don't see any weird websites, but if there is any, then you shouldn't open that. You should open the official Google website. So if that's Google Chrome, then open the official Google website. If you're downloading Discord, go to discord.com. If you're downloading Steam, from which you can download apps, you should go to steampowered.com, and I'm gonna go to that. I'm gonna translate it, and then I can click on download Chrome, and usually it downloads the exe file. I can open it and click on yes, and here the setup process may be different. On the Google Chrome I don't need to click on anything, but for other apps I need to just follow the instructions on screen in order to download and install something. So if you're brave enough to download apps from the internet, make sure you're downloading only the trusted apps and only the apps from trusted sources. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.